Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the chair safe. Disconnect the battery and remove the key so nothing can power up unexpectedly. Once done, do a focused visual sweep of frame, wheels, and wiring looms to spot broken connectors or crushed cables. Use a multimeter to verify battery voltage at the terminals, low voltage points to charge or battery failure. Make sure to have replacement fuses and basic tools on hand, because confirming the power source saves time before deeper diagnostics. You now focus on the control path. Start the controller and cycle the joystick while watching LED indicators and any error codes. This tells you whether the controller is communicating. Then isolate each motor and measure resistance and continuity. Inconsistent readings suggest burned windings or bad brushes, while Hall sensor failures produce intermittent movement. If possible, swap the joystick or controller with a known good unit to confirm the fault. These steps pinpoint mechanical versus electronic failures. You complete repairs by installing the correct replacement parts: batteries, fuses, or the controller you identified. Reconnect wiring carefully, apply dielectric grease to exposed connectors to prevent corrosion, and torque bolts to the manufacturer's specified values so nothing loosens under load. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and perform a controlled, slow test drive checking acceleration, braking, steering alignment, and any unusual heat or smells. If the chair still behaves oddly, check error codes again and remeasure voltage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.